Country people, we greet on now. This is our BBC Pidgin service, and we they come to on our live from the Ministry of Finance headquarters, Abuja, where retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces they protest their 24 months pension arrears where they never pay them. Then they protest their 24 months minimum wage arrears where they never pay them. As I see for this video, some they don't dey here since morning, and elderly men, some of them they sit down for ground. As I see for this live video, they carry their mats come. They carry their mats come. They can see them well. Elderly men they are like this. They protest their 24 months minimum wage arrears where they never pay them. And then be this retired members of Nigeria Armed Forces they protest their 24 months minimum wage arrears. They come from all parts of the country for this protest and are for front of the Ministry of Finance headquarters for Abuja. Now they sit down like this. All this are what they do, not part of the protest. Country people, as they see, they don't dey here since morning. They carry mats come, they sit down, they say they're not going to agree today until they answer them for their 24 months minimum wage arrears where they never pay them. As you see these people so now retired members of Nigeria Armed Forces. Then plenty for here today. Some of their members go see they come, but we say make we carry waka come here, come show us these elderly men who don't serve Nigeria after many years still there for this kind of condition. They protest their 24 months minimum wage arrears where Nigeria government never pay them. Some of them see there here.
Let them know that we are here, we are suffering.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Okay, you dey live for BBC Pidgin service. We go like make you tell us why you come here.
Why we come here? Our money where they never pay us, that we call for. Minimum wage allowance, department, security allowance, NHI allowance. You go to my director today.
No problem. I don't already talk to him.
Okay.
I don't already talk to him. They go meet him now. So country people now so they gather for this place. Make I get their front for that. Motor the pass here, so I'm not going to go for middle of road. And then this. And they see the messages where they for the placards where they carry.
We are going to sleep here. We're not going back. We are not going back. My daughter, we are not going back. We carry our mat home. That's why we are proposing. We are coming here. We are not going back. Carry mat home. Until the minister answers us, or the minister answers us. We are going to remain. We are going to sleep. We come with our mat. Thank you, my daughter. We are going to sleep here. We are not going
Country people now for front of the Ministry of Finance headquarters for Abuja now with this so and these elderly men, the retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces. Where they protest their 24 months minimum wage arrears where they never paid them since. All of them carry we no go gree waka here, come here for Ministry of Finance. They say they no go come out until they go answer them. As I don't show now before for this live video, they carry their mat come. Say if not to sleep for here, they go sleep. No wahala. And then with this. Okay, maybe Crossroads go talk to the Oga, they can tell us as it be.
I did.
Okay, some of them on the other side, that's what they see for this live video. Now retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces be this, and now for front of Ministry of Finance, Abuja, Nigeria capital. Now they carry this, we no go gree waka come, to come demand their 24 months minimum wage arrears, where government never pay them. Now the Ministry of Finance building with this one, and they see for this live video, and now for the front, now all of them sit down with their mats. Then tanda for there, so they need to go anywhere until Ministry of Finance answer them today. Okay. Make I cross, go there, go talk to the Oga. The Oga there for the other side of the road. Make him tell us the main reason why they carry waka come here. Okay, country people, this na BBC Pidgin live, and we dey come to now from the Ministry of Finance for Abuja. We want to talk to one of the Oga them where they lead this protest, as an they see so in carrying mats. They already come. They want tender for this place until they get answer. Oga, tell us your name and wetin make you come here.
My name is...
I better bring down your face mask small. We dey maintain social distance. Maybe country people hear wetin you dey talk.
My name is Veteran Commander Abiodun Rowaye Havertz. Now maybe I don't know how the spokesperson for the group. And the director media, they near me here, Ambassador Roy, and then the National Financial Secretary of the association. All of them can near me here to support me.
Okay, yeah. May you use your mouth, tell country people, wetin bring on and come this place?
Wetin bring us here? No be joke. You know, say with the old people, where we don't serve this country, when we still dey young, we still get strength. After we don't leave service, government can't abandon us. All our entitlements, we they're supposed to pay us, they no gree pay us. We don't write letter, nothing when we no do finish. During big salary, we even go minister house, because me, I the base. We go in house to go greet himself. The man say no one see us, and we begin to ask question: is this person not one of us? He's also into a retired person now. Why no? For 3 days we were there.
I take no say the minister no one see her now. You know whether in they engaged?
Engaged for 3 days. Engaged for 3 days.
For your house.
For in house. What thing they do when they engage? What thing they do when no one see us? What would say from the same constituency? We be in primary responsibility now. So there's no excuse whatsoever when we make a talk say in officials in the engage for waiting.
Okay, oh yeah, back to this we no go bring Wakawe and I'll carry come here. So waiting be an main demand, and for how long where they don't they hold this on our money?
Well, this our demand. The plenty is small. The minimum wage when President Buhari approved for 2019, they are not going to pay us the arrears. You get waiting that you call debarment allowance. They never pay us. That debarment allowance supposed to be for everybody who don't serve for this country, for soldier work, whether you be army, whether you be navy, or you be air force. They're supposed to give you this money so that after you leave service, you go settle yourself. And you not go make people where they cause katakata for this country encourage you to come join them like Boko Haram. You know, we get the training well. So that money is supposed to make us settle down. In fact, build houses, but they not give us. They give some few people. The minister, way past the defense, the chief of defense staff, way just come out for office. Now do this thing, way cause confusion. And when we cry, the minister invite us to the office, and he say true, then cheat us. He set up committee don't work out, they don't do their work. For more than 1 year, they don't submit their report. We don't hear anything. And you know, say this government, it will soon end. And at the opportunity where we get with this, where we say our own General Muhammad Buhari, he too na retiree like us. The minister, na retiree like us. National Security Advisor, na retiree like us. Some members of the Nigerian Parliament, they are our members. How can we get these camp people? How we go get these camp people for authority? And you go see us here for street, say with the protest. It makes sense, but not be say we get the intention to do it, but we don't know where to go again. That's why on our finals from the street like this, say if we cry, make the whole world see. And even then they hide them from president, he go see us. No how. Now I make we come out here. And we not go come out here. You see, say I carry mat. All of us carry mat come here. We not go come out here until they answer us. From here, we go Ministry of Defense. If they settle us finish for here, we will go Ministry of Defense.
Okay, before now, has there been any step that you guys to ensure that this thing has been done?
Now I thought before you come, we don't write letters. We write to the Minister of Finance. I will give you one copy. We write to the Minister of Defense. Say, make on come. This is when I do to us. We don't want to come out for protest. Make the whole world see. Make on call us, make us discuss this thing. They are not even mind us. The letter where we write officially, they are not even respond. So you can see that they don't care about us. If they care about us, they are one of us. The minister in particular, he is one of us. He come, they look down on us as if say that office way in there, don't be temporary. By next year, I ain't go come out there. So why people go begin to treat others like say they don't mean anything? And I think we make us come out of this.
Oga, so as I don't come out today now with an mat, I expect say and I go down and I carry pot too and stove when I go use cook chop.
No, go help us now because as on I see us, we be on our papa, we be on our uncle. When I know see us here, we say we lie down. When I know find us pure water, I be something to chop. Abi? So with the cry say they don't pay us money. When one get pot, we have money buy pot.
Okay, yeah? How do you feel serving the nation for 35 years and this is happening?
Very regrettable. Very, very regrettable. You know, when you work and you retire, like it is done in the US and part of Europe, you know, if you see, say, person we don't serve for soldier. See, I'm on the street, like they say in the protest, for illegitimate right, constitutional right. See, what the government no be say, the way then they treat us like this, now danger. Why it be danger? See, the ones that where we live, where they serve now, if not be because of them. By today, Boko Haram for don't take over this country. And you are treating us like this, and they are seeing the way you are treating us. How you take things, say, they go happy to do this job. Because it is simple, then go feel, say, all these fight go with the fight, say, after all, if we finish, now like this, they go abandon us. And if they eventually find themselves, with the talk of corruption, if they eventually find themselves where money they, then go steal enough, so that when they come out, they don't go feel this kind of thing. So that's the way with the tell government with that, say, this one that they do, na danger. But
So-
they don't want to listen to us.
So after on our waka today, wetin be the next thing one I go do?
As we come out from here, once they settle us from here, like I said, if they don't give us what we want, we know they come out from here. 24 months of our arrears, they don't pay the civilian, and then they tell us say no money. Where they take their money, pay the civilian. We won't know where that money enter. That's why they see us from here. If they don't pay us, we know we come out from here. If they pay us finish, we come out from here, go Ministry of Defense, because then to get question to answer.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. If we are going to join us
Okay.
at the federal ministry.
Country people, and I don't hear na the talk person for this group of retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces. As I tell her that before I come, I dey wait to cross road to make I go give people wey just dey join us a true picture of wetin dey happen for this place and front of the Ministry of Finance headquarters for Abuja, Nigeria capital. Na in this retired members of the armed forces carry we no go gree waka come sit down. Dem tanda here for this place. They say they no dey go until the Ministry of Finance settle them, pay them their money. They don dey here since early momo. As I come here, sef, some of them say they don tire. Na im make them dey use their mat. They sit down for ground. So if you just dey join us, this na BBC Pidgin service, and we come dey show na retired members of the Nigeria Armed Forces wey dey protect their 24 months minimum wage arrears wey government never pay them.
That magazine. But the carry for that because we are going to run this not the way the country is.
Okay, wetin you talk?
We want to come for money assurance. You are taking us for something.
No worry, government go hear una.
I say you like our system arrangement.
Which of the media house? Which of the media house?
The BBC which one are you representing?
They Buhari to fight corruption now. This is what he came for. He came for.
And the elderly men sit down with their mats. As I tell una before, all of them carry their mats come. Good day, sir. Fine. Sir, you go fit talk to us? Okay, and since when you don't come here to this morning? Since which time when you don't come here?
I came here around 6. No, we don't allow it.
Okay, country people, they don't come here since morning, and Atanda, 9 and Tanda for this place like this. See, this one stay here and carry pure water.
Correct. That's it. That's who we talk now.
Hello.
Let's go.
I carry a minister. ta kare ba za mu koma gidanmu ba. Kariyar minista ya kare. Kariyar minista ya kare ba za mu koma gidanmu ba.
Kariyar minista ya kare.
Kariyar minista ya kare ba za mu koma gidanmu ba.
Kariyar minista ya kare.
Kariyar minista ya kare.
Hey, Collins, come.
Okay, government official don't come. Let's say they won't go address them.
Close the gate. Close the gate.
I am the leader
Sorry, excuse me.
Sorry, my sister.
Maybe you go to that side.
Well, let me start by first thanking you for being orderly, for being civil, for conducting yourself in a very civilized manner, and for not obstructing the free flow of traffic in and out of the ministry. So that I commend you for that. The next thing is for me to ask you, what is the issue at stake that you want us to address as Minister of Finance?
Well, I'm surprised that you're asking this question, sir. I have a letter written to the Honorable Minister of Defense as far back as if I can remember very well, in November this year. I wrote her a letter. I needed to see and meet with her so she can address the issue of no cash backing that has been militating against the payment of her 24 months arrears, which had already been paid to the civilian counterparts. So, we wrote her, but as I speak to you, not even an official response to that letter.
Okay, let me start with that. In the first instance, that payment that you are referring to is quite heavy, so there was no way it could have been paid for in 2021. So what we have done is to include it in the 2022 budget. And I'm aware that Commodore Lawal, Rear Admiral Lawal of Military Pensions Board has informed you that it's in the budget. And I want to reassure you as the custodian of the budget that that money is in the budget. And as soon as we settle in and we start issuing warrants to expend this budget, Mr. President has already signed the budget. So one of the things I would like to plead with you is to please allow us, because this is a critical moment for the Federal Minister of Finance. Mr. President just signed the budget and we're in the process of issuing warrants, to ensure that we make releases to address the very same issue that you are raising right now. But if you continue this protest, then it's going to obstruct all the businesses of the ministry. As we are aware today, we have a critical event, which is also part of the national budget. There's going to be a public presentation of the budget to the whole country by the Minister of Finance. So please, we want to plead with you to stand down and let us address this issue comprehensively.
So, can I ask a question?
Please go ahead.
We have been deceived so many times by government. And like you have seen us here, we are here with our bats. And the excuse that it has been provided for in 2022 budget is not satisfactory to us. We want to ask, where the ministry get the money to pay the civilian counterparts, and we are not paid. We are dealing with politicians, with all due respect, sir. Like I said to you, government should go and look for money. We are not living here. Please look for it and put it in writing, sir, that we are paying so time, otherwise we are not living here.
Let me say something, please. I am the director of media, CCV. We had
Okay, country people, official from the Ministry of Finance, where they represent the Minister of Finance, they come address the people, and they beg them, make them stand down, make them no vest, make them go back, say then go put them for the 2022 budget, say when them do everything we concern the budget, then go make a provision for them, then go get their money. But the organ where they lead these retired members of the armed forces, to say they don't deceive them many times, so he no believe waiting the man they talk, he no trust waiting the man they talk. Say if the man wants, make them come out for a year, make him put them in writing, say so and so day, then go pay them. Say they get money pay civilians, but they no get money pay them. Say anyhow way they go do the matter today, we go find money to pay them, make them try to work. Now the matter where they try to talk for that place.
24 months, even after other bodies have been paid, are you going to give us a communique that we can use to douse peace? Because these peaceful protests have been going on in all the states of the Federation. Go and Google in the news. And none of it has been violent. Now, these peaceful protests have been held back also since the EndSARS, because the town was not stable enough to do this. You know, because on the 15th of January, sir, we are coming out to picket. And that is the time that we expect ourselves to be shot. Because we are going to block the roads, we are going to make sure that we become the nuisance that the government has made us in our hearts.
So you have conducted yourself.
We will have a communique, sir.
And we appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
We are going to respond to that. So please, like I said earlier, we need to stand down and let us be able to.
May we have your name, sir?
My name is Abuja. I'm the Permanent Secretary of Finance, and I'm here with my colleague. There are two Permanent Secretaries in this case.
Oh, thank you.
Three. This is PAMSEC Special Duties. I'm Alaji Aliu Sheoshenka. Okay. So we are assuring you that we are going to respond to your, and we are going to address your issue. Before I came out here, preparations are already at advanced stage to make this release. So please give us time. This is our second statement.
Okay, sir. Is there any projection?
We have said it, sir. We don't like sir, all due respect to you.
Okay, country people, the one where they just talk down now, the person where they represent the Minister of Finance, now the Permanent Secretary for the Ministry of Finance too. Now they beg them, say make them stand down. He don't promise them, say them go reply the letters where they don't write to them before, where they no get response. He don't promise them, say make them stand down. And they beg them, make them go back. But the people say they no go agree. Then carry their mat come. They're ready to stay here until they see money. Say in 24 months money where they never pay them. Now a very long time, and they still they find way to survive with their families. Them. So then they beg the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Finance make it go find money, try to settle them. And the matter where then they talk for here. So meanwhile, making sure now some of the members their sides they sing their song. Then they from the gates they monitor as the discussion they go on inside. Okay, country people, now so it be here for inside the Ministry of Finance for Abuja, Nigeria capital, where retired members of the Nigerian Armed Forces carry we no go gree waka come for the Ministry of Finance to come demand their 24 months minimum wage arrears wey they never pay them. And here I go end this live video. You can continue to follow us for our social media page and our website to bring on our updates on how this matter ends. They see they argue there. If we continue to listen to this argument, we no go come out for yet today. But when they finalize, I go still come back to tell on wetin the result. But the people, this na BBC Pidgin service, and here we will end this live video. On a bye bye for now. I go come back.